As the administration of Governor Sanwo-Olu begins its 6th-year journey, the government is consolidating on its achievements in 5 years and intensifying development of Lagos State in all sectors. As part of activities marking the 5th anniversary of his administration, Governor Sanwo-Olu inaugurated some projects to boost water transportation in the state. Now, this story and more in this episode of Inside Lagos. Many thanks for joining us. Amade Doja, Salam Adeni.
Ẹni tí ò dé kó ìrìn ẹkù kan. Àwa ni Center of Excellence. Ẹni ò dé kó ìrìn ẹkù kan. Àwa ni Center of Excellence. Mo ní pé bó o bá dé kó ìrìn ẹkù kan. Àwa ni Center of Excellence. Àwọn òyìnbó débẹ̀ wọ́n rí tá a jẹ́ ṣe. Àwa ni Center of Excellence. Haúsá débẹ̀ wọ́n rí tá a jẹ́ ṣe. Àwa ni Center of Excellence. Àwọn Ìgbò débẹ̀ wọ́n rí tá a jẹ́ ṣe. Àwa ni Center of Excellence. Gbogbo Yorùbá débẹ̀ wọ́n rí tí wọ́n mú lọ. Àwa ni Center of Excellence. Ẹni òde kó ìrìn ẹkù kan. Èkó ò ní bàjẹ́ lórí àwa. Àwa ni Center of Excellence. Ọ̀pọ̀ ò bá dé kó ìrìn ẹkù.
In order to improve water transportation in Lagos State, Governor Sanwo-Olu has inaugurated 15 Omibus Ferries at the Badore Ferry Terminal. The inauguration of the ferries was part of activities commemorating his 5 years in office as governor.
I'm honored to welcome you to the launch of a new fleet of ferries manufactured in Lagos to reduce the usage of cars on the road, thereby creating interconnectivity with the waterways, the rail, and the road.
Transportation is key because it is a human capital that makes Lagos what it is. We are so proud of Lagos State. We are very proud of Omibus.
And to the good people of Lagos, these ferries are built for you, by you, and with your commitment and your contribution to us. It symbolizes better days ahead for us. As we launch them into our waterways, let us do with collective pride. Let's do this collective pride and a sense of purpose. Let's see it as another public asset that we need to take care of.
Approximately 22% of Lagos landmass comprises waterways. The water transportation is to complement the trains and decongest the roads in the state.
If you reach Lagos, better life for Lagos, better hope for Lagos, better day for Lagos, reach Lagos.
From the 5 Cowries terminal at Falomo, Governor Sanwo-Olu took a ride to Badore terminal to inaugurate 15 ferries to commemorate the first year of his second term in office.
Yes, 40 passengers each into the fleet of waterways transportation of Lagos. Thank you very much.
Governor Sanwo-Olu says his administration has made strategic investments to ensure that commuting on the inland waterways becomes a viable and preferred choice.
The first pillar of our economic agenda, which stands for transportation and traffic management. That's the pillar we have chosen today to come and demonstrate our commitment to you, to come and say to you that everything we've said to ensure that we have a comprehensive, integrated, urban mass transportation system will not be shortchanged. We will ensure that all the verticals around public transportation, none of those verticals are left unattended to. We're handing over to all the people in our marine transportation 15 brand new acquired ferries, all at 40-seater, as part of the phase 1, because there's a second phase is supposed to be a total of 25. I want to say to all of us that it's about the revolutionization of our public transportation system. And like I said, in our team's agenda, traffic management and transportation falls directly in the remit of what we're doing here today. It's only when we have an efficient, effective, and a reliable public transportation system that the economy of the city can grow, that people can see economic value, that people can have predictable journey. I'm happy to say that it took us 27 minutes precisely from the Falomo jetty to get in here. If we had gone on the well put together Lekki-Epe Expressway, which we're doing a lot of work on, it will take us nothing less than 50 to 1 hour. But that journey, being on water transportation, took us less than 30 minutes, 27 minutes, because I was checking the time. And so you can imagine what the benefit of that is to the people of Lagos. From this jetty that we have to cross over to Ibeshe, which is in Ikorodu, it's less than 30 minutes. In fact, it's about 15 minutes to just cross to Ibeshe. You can imagine if you need to go and traverse, from here and going by road to Ibeshe, it will take you nothing less than an hour, 45 minutes. So that's the power of connectivity. That's the power of what we're doing here today. And that's the power of ensuring that economics and businesses can grow and thrive. And we're not just doing it. We're doing it because we know too well that over 15 local government of the old 20, meaning that almost out of 57, almost 42 local government and LCDs in Lagos, in one form or the other, have water running around them. So that's a significant area that we need to be strategically be looking into. 22% or thereabout of our total land mass is water. So when we put investment in that sector, it's for these deliberate intentions that we believe it could be a means of moving our citizens, our people, goods and services from one part of the city to the other. And the beauty of it is now that with LASWA, our waterways transportation system is reliable, is comfortable, is enjoyable, and is very, very safe. And the other thing that we've also mentioned is that we've generated a seamless, integrated mass transportation system. The Cowrie card that is being used is the same card that is used on all of our BRT buses on the land, is the same card that is being used on our train services on both the red line and the blue line, is also the same card that is being used on our waterways.
The Lagos State government believes the initiative is to create an integrated, multimodal transportation system that makes daily movement more seamless.
This ferries carries 40 passengers maximum. It underscores that our dedication to a sustainable transport model, that is working its own course.
If you reach Lagos, better life for Lagos, better hope for Lagos, oh, better day for Lagos, yeah. Reach Lagos, better life for Lagos, better hope for Lagos, better day for Lagos, yeah. Better Lagos, oh, you want to speak Lagos, oh, you want to better Lagos, oh, you want to speak Lagos, oh, yeah. It's
The Omibus Ferries project is not just about improving transportation. It's about transforming how we live and move. It is about connecting communities, fostering economic growth, and reducing the stress and congestion that often characterize our daily commutes. These state-of-the-art ferries, with their modern amenities and safety features, will not only ensure passengers a comfortable and secure journey, but also herald a new era of convenience and efficiency in Lagos. They are a beacon of hope, promising a brighter and more convenient future for all Lagos residents. Your Excellency, sir, Mr. Governor, your visionary leadership and tireless efforts in prioritizing the development of our inland waterways have been nothing short of inspiring. Under your administration, Lagos has witnessed remarkable transformations, and the launch of the Omibus Ferries is yet another testament to your unwavering commitment to driving sustainable development and enhancing the welfare of our citizens. Your leadership is a beacon of hope, guiding us towards a brighter and more prosperous Lagos. We deeply appreciate your contributions and the positive impact they have on our city.
The Omibus Ferry project is not just about adding more vessels, it's about enhancing our capacity. to serve the growing number of commuters who rely on water transportation daily. These unique modern boats are equipped with revolutionary technology to ensure all commuters' safety, comfort, and convenience. They represent our commitment to sustainability, resilience, and innovation, featuring eco-friendly designs that minimize environmental impact. Our goal is to provide a viable alternative mode of transportation, thereby contributing to the economic growth and ecological sustainability of Lagos State. We are launching a promise of better service, greater efficiency, and an enhanced commuting experience.
Lagos State government is said to have taken proactive measures to prevent boat mishaps with the removal of wreckages across all ferry terminal routes and channelization, removal of water hyacinth, and provision of life jackets for commuters. The Lagos State government is using the Alafia Eco medical outreach to improve the health and well-being of residents of Lagos and foster healthier and more economically stable communities. Thousands of residents turned out to benefit from the free medical outreach organized by the Lagos State government at the 24 designated centers across the state. Weather.
It's the Lagos State Free Medical Outreach for All in progress. Residents of Lagos trooped out to benefit from the free medical services initiated by Governor Sanwo-Olu's administration. The governor's directive is to make residents of Lagos have access to quality health care. From Campus Mini Stadium on Lagos Island to Aguda Prayer Ground in Surulere, Evans Square in Ebute Meta, Epe Recreation Center in Epe, Iberekodo Primary School in Ibejuleki, and Imota Primary School in Etiosa local government area, the crowd kept surging. The resettlement area in Araromi community in Etiosa East Local Council Development Area also witnessed a huge crowd of excited residents waiting to participate in the program. The significant number of residents also flocked Owuroshoki in Koshofe Local Government Area, Bariga LCDA, Alapere in Agboyiketu, Ikorodu, Agege, Amuwo Odofin, among other centers for medical care.
We are here at Bariga LCDA, and the outcome is really great. We have so many people here trying to access our services. More importantly, we are also ensuring that everyone that comes is registered with LASRA and is registered with LASHMA.
We started with gate code, yes.
The outreach offered a wide range of medical services such as blood pressure monitoring, HIV screening, diabetes testing, eye examination and distribution of free medication and eyeglasses. It also comes with Onjeko food packs. The program integrates health insurance through the Ilera Eco scheme, encouraging residents to have health insurance policy for long-term benefits. Beneficiaries expressed gratitude to Governor Sanwo-Olu for initiating various programs to ease economic hardship on residents.
We thank our governor who has remembered us in Lagos State to give us a good treatment, Ìlera Èkó, and give us food freely. We thank him. Mama promotion for him. I thank them very well. They give me glass. This glass, the reading glass you are looking. They give us free, food free, good treatment, and that is one of what everybody needs, at least in Lagos State.
Ìjọba Sanwo-Olu ó túra yìí, ó ṣe dáadáa fún wa, gbogbo oògùn ó kó fún wa, ó wò wá sàn, kò fẹ́ kí èèyàn kankan ó ṣe àìsàn, ó fún wa ní oògùn ara líle, oògùn PP, gbogbo oògùn tí wọ́n kọ fún mi ni ó fún mi, ẹ bá mi pẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run á máa gbéga, Ọlọ́run á máa dán ọmọ ìsìn ní gbogbo ọ̀nà, ìgbéga máa jẹ́ tiẹ̀ ní, ìlú Èkó dẹ̀ ní bàjẹ́ mọ́ lọ́wọ́, ìmọ̀ máa ní ìgbéga ni.
Wọ́n fún wa lóògùn ọ̀fẹ́, ìlera ọ̀fẹ́, wọ́n fẹ́ ká ṣe àìsàn ní local government wa, ọwọ́ wọn á máa ròkè o.
A big thanks to Lagos State Governor for this free medical check-up. At least I'm a beneficiary, and I thank God. God will strengthen Lagos State and Nigeria at large.
Speaking with newsmen after a tour of some of the centers, the special advisor to the governor on health, Kemi Oguyemi, highlights the objectives of the program and expected impact on residents. She emphasized the division of primary healthcare centers into 6 districts to ensure that residents have access to affordable and quality health care.
This has never happened in Nigeria and in any state where the entire city at the same time are getting checked, getting everything for free. So for 1 month, they are not going to pay for prescription or anything like that. The whole idea is that all these people get access. They get access to care, not only just to care, affordable and quality care. We have the doctors here who work in the primary healthcare centers. We have the nurses here. We have the pharmacists here. We have opticians here, ophthalmologists here. Everybody is here to ensure that our citizens are healthy so that they can also contribute to the economy of the state.
The advice I want to give for our people that are in Alafia Eko today is to use the drugs that they were given, the medication they were given, for the purpose that it was used for. It is not for them to go and sell it to other people or to store it at home for it to get spoiled. For them to know that our Governor Olusola Babajide Sanwo-Olu, is doing a great deal. He doesn't want his citizenry to fall sick, and that is why he has gone through all the PAC. We are covering over 24 health districts, and all the people that are there are even more than 4,000. More than 24,000 people have benefited from this Alafia Eko and Eko Sha. And the most important thing is for them to have their health insurance scheme. So the Eko Sha, which is an health insurance scheme, is just 8,500 for a year, and you will benefit for all medical emergencies. Even for now, women that are pregnant have free antenatal care, free delivery, even free cesarean section. The governor is trying his best because of this hard time for Lagosians to have things easy for them.
The permanent secretary in the Lagos State Ministry of Health, Olusegun Ogboye, stressed that the administration is using the initiative to demonstrate its commitment to inclusive healthcare.
We will be providing everything that the SA has said, and then we're linking them to the nearest PHC as well. They will pick up drugs in another 2 weeks, a refill of the drugs we've given them, and then that also gives them an opportunity to then get linked into the system in that PHC.
The initiative addresses rising cost of medication and healthcare services. The Alafia Eko Medical Outreach will reopen on the 16th of June. The initiative reflects Governor Sanwo-Olu's compassion and commitment to health and economic stability. That care will be extended to the vulnerable, including the homeless, the handicapped, and the elderly, towards ensuring they receive timely care at the primary health care centers.
If you reach Lagos, better life for Lagos, better hope Lagos. Better life for Lagos. Better hope for Lagos. Better day for Lagos. Better Lagos, Sanwo-Olu. Oh, Sanwo-Olu. You want to speak Lagos, Sanwo-Olu. Oh, Sanwo-Olu. You want to better Lagos, Sanwo-Olu. Oh, Sanwo-Olu. You want to speak Lagos. If you reach Lagos, better life for Lagos. Better hope for Lagos. Oh, better day for Lagos. Reach Lagos. Better life for Lagos. Better hope for Lagos. Better day for Lagos. Better Lagos, Sanwo-Olu. Oh, Sanwo-Olu. You want to speak Lagos, Sanwo-Olu. Oh, Sanwo-Olu. You want to better Lagos, Sanwo-Olu. Oh, Sanwo-Olu. You want to speak Lagos, Sanwo-Olu. Oh, Sanwo-Olu. Yeah. Oh, Sanwo-Olu. Oh, Sanwo-Olu. Love Lagos. Oh, Sanwo-Olu. Oh, Sanwo-Olu. Love.
And that does it on today's edition of Inside Lagos. Many thanks for being a part of it. I'm Adedoja. Salam Adeniyi.